Okay, once you get the machine from a focus company, you will also get some spare parts go with the machine delivery. So here we can see that there are some necessary spare parts that are used for install the machine. The first, you got three pieces of Epson printer head. This is the original brand new printer head from the Epson company, and named Epson 3200 U1 printer head. Please remember, we must use U1. U means UV model. U1 printer head. You need three pieces. And also you need to check the ink, find out the ink. The Epson 3200 printer head, it supports KCMY for color ink and wet and varnish. So you need to check the package to find out the black ink, black UV ink used for Epson 3200 printer head. So black ink, cyan, and magenta, and yellow. So this KCMY is used for color printer head, and the white ink. The white is for wet print head. And also the varnish. This is the varnish. The varnish used for varnish print head. And the clean solution. This for clean the print head if the print head gets some little clog. And also used for keep weight for a long time not use the machine, use the printer. So normally if you not print the machine about 2 or 3 or 2 days, so you don't need to use the keep weight liquid. It's used for flush the print head for if the print head get clog. And it's used for if you not use the print head for more than several weeks, then you take out print head and flush out the ink by this liquid. So please remember, this print head clean solution, it have named label on the bottle. It's not a coating, please remember. So this is the clean solution. Then we also got 2 different kinds of coating. This is the non-metal coating. It's used for the coating used for the material like glass, ceramic, tire, and any material that not made from metal. So this is the metal coating, and this is the metal coating. The metal coating is used for apply on the surface of the metal like steel, aluminum, and any other material, the metal materials. This is not used for printing. Please remember, this kind of coating is not used for putting on the ink tank, but it's just used the tissue apply on the surface of the material before we print. If you put this kind of two coating on the machine, so we got the print head clog. So please remember, this is really important. So we got the 2 kind of coating. So except the coating, the inks, and also we got some spare parts for installation. They have 2 packages, 2 boxes. This is some ink damper for backup. It's consumable. And the ink film. And some ink tuber connectors and some fuse for backup. And also some ink tuber for backup. And the print head cable go with the print head screw to install print head. And the hand making tools for caps to clean the print head by manually. and the screwdriver, and also 3 pieces of the caps, the print head, the cap station caps. These are the caps used on the cap station, the caps. You can change it every half year to get the best cleaning solution and get best cleaning effect. So this is the spare parts we got: the caps, the manual clean tools, the screwdriver, the print head cable and screw, some tubers, the ink damper, the connectors, the ink film. So this is the first package we got it. And then we open another package. This is the injection syringe. It's used for the first time you load ink from the ink tank to the ink damper. One different color used a different syringe. One color used one syringe. And this is the RIP software used for RIP the picture at the computer. And some home limit sensor. And one brand new pumps. And the clean tissue to clean the surface of the print head. And also one tape, the rubber tape, with 2 holes at the left and the right side. This tape is used for protect the varnish print head when you print it with bottle, to prevent the varnish print head get cured, get clogged by the strong UV lights. So this is only used for when you print with bottle device, rotary device. And if you bought the rotary device from Focus, you will also get this kind of rotary jig device. It allows you to print on the bottle. You need to install on the machine like this way. So this is the rotary, the bottle printing device to put on the machine and for print. And also we have different kind of device like a marker or pen or the golf ball, different kind of the printing palette. So we can also do the custom design, produce. So except that we check all the spare parts we got ready, then also we need to prepare the computer with Ethernet, the gigabit Ethernet port, the Ethernet port, but not USB, because this machine is the interface is by Ethernet, but not the USB. So we must find a computer or PC that with the gigabit, the Ethernet port. And also the branch. So after we prepare everything, the spare parts, the inks, the computer, the tools, then we can start to install the Focus Alpha Max. Thank you.